Hello, my YouTube friends. Dave Wilson here. Just a quick update. Haven't really been doing too much with the printers, just printing, which is sort of nice for a change. But a couple things I wanted to mention. um, I found this company that sells filament that for some reason they've got an extremely good price. So I ordered 10 rolls. It was 10 rolls for $100 or $10 a roll with free shipping, at least to the US. So I got 10 rolls, and here's one that's printing here. Um, and I've used the green and the orange so far. And so I had 8 rolls left, and they had the sale back on, so I got another 10 rolls. So I got 20 rolls for $200, but the ones I just got were all black, red, and white, because that's colors I tend to go through. And they seem to have everything back in stock. When I got the first 10, I had to pick colors I don't usually deal with. But a lot of times I really like Matter Hackers, just a lot of different companies, Overture, a lot of companies, but for inexpensive filament, for just testing, this stuff is really good, and $10 a roll, you can't beat it. Printing a couple things. I'm printing a coaster holder here for some neighbors. They have 3 daughters, and I'm going to make those for the girls to give their mom for Mother's Day. Here's the coasters already made. So I'm just making the holder now. And I'm testing a gate hinge. I've got some metal gates that are decorative, and I'm trying to make, metal fence. I'm trying to make a gate that'll swing open. So I'm just playing with this. And then this is going to be a sign for an acquaintance I made on YouTube. Gentleman and his wife, they have a sawmill operation where they take logs, and they have a Wood Miser sawmill, LT40, and this is their business card. So I've been playing around with trying to make it into a 3D printable sign, and it's a lot of fun. I've learned a lot doing it. I've talked to Steve a couple times, and we'll see how it turns out. But this is going to be the size of it, about 300 millimeters by probably 220 or so. But I'm going to print the bottom in white and change color to black when I get into the text and the sawmill. So that's sort of what I've been working on. Right now I've just got 3 printers going. When you're making new things, it's sort of hard to do much more than that. But I'll pass a link on to this filament if anybody wants to try it, but it's gst3d.com. And I've been really happy with it, and I go through a lot of filaments, so if I can save $10 to $15 a roll or get it for half price, that's a pretty good deal. I still like the American made, and I think this might be made in America. Well, let's see, this is made in Argentina. So it's interesting. I've had good luck with it so far. You might want to give it a try. And something else, I'll put a link in. Been experimenting with different scrapers, and these use I think it's called a Stanley blade. I've got some other ones that use standard single edge razor blade. And I'll put links to both of them. They're pretty handy because sometimes the scraper that came with the printer just doesn't quite work well enough. This had a lot of uses. Well, thanks for watching, and leave any questions, comments.